Hi everybody, this quick video will show you how to give additional time to students in MyOpenMath. What we're trying to do is easily give students additional time to satisfy an accommodation using the time limit multiplier. To do that, go to your MyOpenMath course, you click on the roster, then click the student you want to give additional time to, and then you give a numeric multiplier for the time, like 1.5, 2, whatever their accommodation says they need. Let's take a look at how I would do that. So here I'm in my MyOpenMath account. I'm going to click on a class, then I'm going to click on the roster, and then I'm going to click on the student I want to give additional time to, which is going to be me. Then inside of here, I go to the time limit multiplier. Then I can either click the arrow up, or it's probably easier to just type in the multiplier you want to do, and then click update info. This is going to give the time limit multiplier to anything that has a time limit, so you're not going to have to go back to each individual test or quiz and give additional time. You can do this all at once. When I hit update info, it's just going to apply it to that student's account.